You don't think I'm funny anymore. You used to laugh at all my jokes, even though you'd heard them all before. You don't think I'm funny anymore. I used to fake a heart attack, fall down on the floor, but even I don't think that's funny anymore. Yes, things change, and the more they change, the more they stay the same. There ain't no blame. Sometimes the picture just don't fit the frame, and this is where the cowboy yields the floor. 'Cause you don't think I'm funny anymore. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and I hope you still think I'm funny, but this is You Don't Think I'm Funny Anymore by Willie Nelson. For the A chord, you're going to play the 5th string open, mute the E string somehow, play the A string, the 5th string open, and then you want to have all 3 of these strings, 4, 3, 2, pushed down on the 2nd fret. You can use any combination of fingers to do it. It all sounds the same. The next chord is the E chord. First finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger squeezes in next to it to get the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and you're going to play all 6 strings. The D chord, you're going to put your 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger goes between them on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to play 4 strings, starting with the D string. Once or twice in the song, we're going to have a B. We're going to play a B7 chord. First finger goes on the 4th string, 1st fret. Middle finger gets the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Pinky goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So everything's on the 2nd fret. Well, except for this one, it's on the 1st string, first fret. You're going to play 5 strings. That's the easy part. The challenging thing is the rhythm pattern. You're going to be playing an alternating bass. So for the A chord, my left hand's playing an A chord. You're going to play the A string, strum, then the E string, strum, A, and notice my pinky is anchored on the pickguard, and occasionally I even touch the bottom string, just so I don't have to look at this hand. That's how I'm finding the bass strings. And if you miss one, who cares? It's just music. For the E chord, you're going to change that slightly. You're going to hit the 6th string first, and then the 5th string. Kind of reverse it. For the D chord, play the D chord in your left hand. Start off on the 4th string, 5th string, 4th string, 5th string. The B7 is pretty short, so if you want to just strum it, it'll sound just fine. But if you want to maintain your alternating bass, you're going to go 5th string, 6th string, 5th string, 6th string. But now I'm also changing my left hand when I do that. You'll want to go 5th string, strum, 6th string, strum. Notice I'm moving my middle finger over to the 6th string, kind of muting the 5th string with it as I do that. To tie it all together, we use the bass walks. To start off the song, start on the E string open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and then just start playing. To go from the A to the D chord later on in the song, same pattern on the A string. Open, 2nd, 4th, D. Don't forget to check the links below for the chord chart, links to other songs that you might like, and right below that there's this big gray box for your questions. If you didn't understand something about this song, it's probably my fault. Please ask me questions about anything. Really. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play Willie Nelson's You Don't Think I'm Funny Anymore. Have you heard the one about the dirty whore? Oh wait, that's right. You don't think I'm funny anymore.